Hello, Juno. Just went outside and it's cold out there, isn't it? She says that it is way too cold and she needed her jammies on. So she decided she wanted these jammies on. Doesn't she look so cute? But she still keeps saying, one of these days I'm going to get to see my friends, right? She says, my mom does not pet me enough for all this, right? Not enough pets. Not enough love. Oh, all right. I gotta go send you on your way. Oh, I forgot to grab you a treat. Be right back. I'm back. See? Look at this. Look at this. She can sit for me. Are you gonna sit? Are you gonna sit? Oh, look how she looks in her jammies. Look at that. Oh, right there. She's off and going. All right, now we have some more expanded form. So remember, this was our base 10 pieces. We reviewed this. And now we're into this expanded form. We're doing 3 days of expanded form. So this is day 2. So, and this is one of my favorite ways to add rather than standard form. I like standard form first, and then I like this way. We're gonna also be doing number lines, so that's another cool way for us to be doing this. So, all right, well, let's just get ourselves going. We need to have these equal signs, and then I like to just put these pluses. And I got my 10s and my 1s, so I'm gonna go 74. That's 70 plus 4, and 19 should be 10 plus 9. I like to bring that line over, and I like to start off by putting that pluses in the equal sign. All right, so we have to start with our smallest thing that can change the next thing, so that's our 1s. 4 plus 9, this is gonna change my 10s because I have too many. Now my 9 rule is take one of the 4s away, leave a 3, and then you end up with a 10 like that. 70, 80, got that one. Now I really like it when I separate my 10s and my 1s like this for 13. Do you see how I separated? And 13 is 10 plus 3, because then now I can go 80 plus 10, 90, 93. Look at that. Oh, now we're gonna go on to this next one. Now this next one's actually pretty tricky. 40 plus 1. I'm gonna grab a different pen. Move some of the stuff out of the way. Look at all that. I'm going to draw this right on across and put that equal sign. Oh, I got 9 plus 1. I'm looking at my 1s place because that's where I always start. And it is 10. Ooh, now 60 plus 40, I know, is 100. Wow. So what is 100 plus 10? Now, a lot of times my friends want to write 101 because they want to go 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 102. If you're one of those people, we got to work on that, because what we do is we go 100, but this isn't in the 1s place. This isn't a 1. This is a 10. So I have to make sure that that 10 right there goes in the 10s place. And then the 0 goes at the end. So we have to make sure that we're not writing 101, we're writing 110. That's one reason you should be practicing counting by 10s all the way to 250, because that way, once you get past 100, you don't fall for the trick where you write 101. So this is 100 plus 10 is 110. Do you see that? Oh, it even says it in its name, in its solution. All right, let's come on back over here. I'm gonna just solve these on out. 60 plus 5, you should be good at writing an expanded form by now. All right, so I'm looking at a 2 plus 5 is 7 plus, oh, I should put those and get those ready. So 40 plus 60, oh, I just had that down here. I just seem to like that, is my 100. Now this one, if you see, I have, let me grab a different pen. I have this guy in my 100th place. Do I have anyone in my 10s? There's no 10s over here. There's this guy over there in my 10s place. And I don't have any 1s there. So let's look at this. So 100 plus 7 is 107. Do you see that? I have to make sure that that 7 stays in the 1s place. And I have to make sure that I don't have any 10s. I like pink. Pink is such a fun color. If you like pink, then you and I can be good friends. If you don't like pink, we can still be good friends. But if you don't know, pink is my favorite color. So if pink is also your favorite color, then we are twinsies. Twinsies, twinsies. All right, now if you notice, I had 29 plus 29, the same number twice. So it's just 20 plus 9 and 20 plus 9. Now we know our doubles rule. We know 9 plus 9 is 18. We really practice our doubles, so everyone should know them by now. And 20 plus 20 is 40. This one's an easy one. But once again, this 18, I like to break it up. Do you have to do this? No. But if you are noticing you're making a lot of mistakes, because a lot of times what I get friends doing is they say 40 plus 18, and then they write 48. You see that? Because you forgot that you had a 10 that you created over here. So this is not quite it. You got to remember. So that's why I like it to break this up. So I like to go 40 plus 10 is 50. And then we end up with 58. Okay? So now we're going to do our second day of expanded form in these awesome packets. So let's go look at our packet. It is this 2-digit addition expanded form. Now you should have already have done the first 7 pages, so you should be getting the hang of this. I'm going to just dive right on in. I'm not going to do any on this page. I'm going to look for some trick ones. Oh, some of these. Not too bad. I think a lot of these over here are going to be ones where we don't carry, so I guess I'll just start on this page over here. So 31 plus 14 is 30 plus 1, and 10 plus 4 is 14. So now I just add this down. 1 plus 4 is 5. 30 plus 10 is 40. And so 40 plus 5 is 45. Got to write it in both spots. Now I'm looking at the 73 plus 12. So 70 plus 3. And then 12 is 10 plus 2. So I have 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 10 is 80. So 80 plus 5 is 85. Let's go put it in both spots. All right, so you guys are going to be doing pages 8 through 15. I'm going to look for one more hard one to do. Ooh, I'm going to do this one over here. It's going to kind of bleed through. So I'm looking at 29 plus 14. So 29 is 20 plus 9. 14 is 10 plus 4. Now I love my 9s rule because I just give one of the 4 to the 9, end up with a 3. Put a 10 down. 10 plus 20 is 30. So now I like to break up my 13. You guys know I like to do that. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So 43. 43 right there. Now this final one on page 15. This is the one you're going to be taking a picture of and submitting it for your journal. So make sure that you're taking your time. There is going to be an issue on one of the problems when you're going to have too many. So show me what you're doing on that. We have one more day of expanded form. One more day of expanded form. That will be tomorrow. So I hope this is getting easier on you. This is one of my favorite ways to add, and it really lets us let us know why we're adding the way we are. All right, Juno over there is taking her wonderful nap. She says, please don't wake me up again. She's all comfy in her jammies. So, see you later.